Alright folks, we didn't get skunked. It's a pretty Sacalait. Sacalait! Alright folks, we got a little action here. Oh, a little perchy. Chinkapin?
No, just a bluegill.
Bluegill. Alright folks, Big Don's hooked up front. Oh yeah, it's a baby. Little perch. Boom. Alright folks, Big Don's got something big here.
Oh, that's a bluegill.
I think he's got an alligator.
Big bluegill.
Big bluegill?
Yeah. Look at that sucker.
Oh man, look at that. Oh, look at the size of that bluegill, folks. Pretty, Don.
It is. Where'd he come from? Sacalait, huh?
Oh man, another Sacalait?
No. Bluegill.
A big old bluegill.
Big just like the other one.
Pretty.
Pretty fish.
Alright folks, that's a bluegill. Hand-sized bluegill. Pretty. Oh, Don got another one, folks.
Pretty fish, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Trying to been keeping them, folks. Look at that. Huh?
Oh, he's peeing. He's peeing, Don.
Yeah, it means they're bedding.
Alright folks, Don's got a nice one here. He's got a nice one. Oh, look at that bluegill.
Come here, Blue.
Pretty.
Oh, he's peeing.
Big Don's got another one, folks. Oh, look at the size of that bluegill. Whoa. That's 11, Don. Alright folks, that's number 12 there. Man's doing a good job up there. Alright folks, that's number 13 right there. Doing good, yeah.
Look at that, Stan.
14, Don. Alright folks, Big Don got another one up there.
Female bluegill.
Alright. I have no, he's probably 78, 77, something like that.
Damn. I looked in the UA Journal, and it listed dead people. And I'm looking at a lot of them ages. They all.
What's the secret with your peanut butter sandwiches? You got crunchy peanut butter. What else you put on it?
Sugar.
Sugar? No jelly, huh?
Granulated sugar, that's it. I've been eating that since my girls were that big. We used to sit in front of the TV on a Saturday. Ritz crackers, peanut butter, and sugar. Yeah, they still eat them.
Alright folks, we're going over to the Sacalait hole. We're fixing to get ready to call the trip. It's getting kind of warm out here. It's only 8:48, but I know another half an hour is going to be unbearable. So we're going to hit this Sacalait hole we have over there, see if there's anything there. There's cypress trees, folks, all along there. Beautiful up in here. Big old tall trees full of moss. Cypress knees all the way across there. That's how By Bevan used to be at one time. All cypress. How pretty that is, folks. And a big old marsh hen. It looks like it's the biggest marsh hen I've ever seen. If there's a marsh hen, I don't think it's a marsh hen though. Looks like it. Got fleas, I know that. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. A lot of these were laid over after Hurricane Katrina. This is our last stop, folks. We got 15, like to get one more. I got 2. Man up front's got 13, folks. I knew that man was gonna catch one. Oh, the gar! Almost came in the boat. First time I ever noticed it has a water tower back here. It's pretty, folks. It is pretty. Yeah. Got another boat coming out over there. Guy. Learned a lot today. That's my spotter up front. Water, my kind of water. Black. Clean, clear, beautiful. There's the boat launch right there. I like these long boat rides to go fishing. Yeah.